Hello everybody, Dickens here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Order 1886 Collector's Edition. So, here's the front side of the box. I don't know if you guys can see that well. The side. There's the other side right there. And the back just shows what's in it. See, there's one player, 50 gigabytes, 1080p, and PS Vita remote play. Alright, let's get to opening this up. Alright, so the first thing we see here is the steelbook. It's a pretty nice steelbook. There's the back. Let's open it up. Alright, so there's the disc. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is the digital content, the Knights Armory DLC, a soundtrack for the game, and unreleased behind the scenes footage. Just a little advertisement for Bloodborne and Until Dawn. I'm kind of excited for both those games. Let's see, what is this? Blackwater Archives, Art of the Order 1886. Oh yeah, just telling us to go get that. Alright. Right here we have the coat of arms stickers. There's Galahad's, Igraine, and Percival. That's just the Order logo. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Oh. So here there's the background art. Pretty cool. Alright, let's put all that stuff in there. Alright, move that to the side. Okay, hold on, guys. Right here, we have the big part. Get out of the packaging. Over there. I don't know if that's right. Right. Okay, I got it now. Here is the statue of Galahad. It has pretty good detail on the figure. There's some sort of symbol. Look, even shows all the shells that he's firing on the ground. Detail in his suit. This is a pretty good statue. Alright everybody, thank you for watching my unboxing on the Order 1886 Collector's Edition. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll be posting some walkthrough videos today, so please stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching.